Hey guys, so as promised, here is my December ribbon club assortment. This is from Really Reasonable Ribbon, and this is what I chose for my design team allotment for this month. Now, I did go a little over because I did need a few staples, which is this full roll of ivory burlap string. Look at that. All for me. It's like, ooh, a dream come true to have a whole roll at one time. So this is a very exciting thing in my shop. I picked up an extra couple rolls of ATG. This is just great to have on hand, and having extra ready when you run out is perfect so that you don't have to wait to reorder it. So here are the ribbons that I chose. I'm looking forward to Valentine's, so I got a couple reds. I have all of these already, but I just want to have plenty to get through the Valentine projects. This is a really beautiful plaid ribbon, and it's double-sided, so that's a great bow to tie. I got a couple of those, and then this is just the regular plaid. It's nice to have a variety of sizes of the plaid to go with the project you're working on. And I had this already, so I've got another one. Here are three. Look at me and the burlap string again. I'm totally obsessed. Three of the pink and then two of the red. I have a little carryover from Christmas with my red, so that will hold me through, I think. And then the houndstooth is a great alternative to the plaid. So it's sort of similar pattern, but it's just a little different. That will be great for all of my Valentine projects. Okay, let's get into these flowers because I'm basically like shocked at how beautiful these are. Not shocked, I knew they were going to be nice. I ordered the pale pink ones, and when they came in, I opened the bag already because that plastic is so darn loud. Look how gorgeous that is. It's just soft and shabby and beautiful. It's a good size flower for your arrangements. They're going to be your anchor flower because they're a little bit bigger, but that pink color is just amazing, and I am so obsessed with that. So I got the full bag of that, and then also the full bag of the two-tone pink. Look how sweet that is. I mean, if that isn't spring, I don't know what is. So that is the, I should say, the Chelsea Rose for the two-tone and also the pale pink. And I think that that is just lovely. It has such a good detail on it, having the two different colors. And I got another bag of my favorite magnolias. And lately, I don't know how many of the videos have gotten out so far because I've gotten a little bit behind, but I've been taking my magnolias apart and taking the centers out and then putting a new center in the big one, and then I get two flowers out of each one. So that seems like a really good bargain. So here is my haul for December, and I know I just posted November, but that's how the holidays go. You just get a little busy, but I'm really excited to get to use all of my new supplies, especially this roll of twine. It's all for me. So hop on over to Really Reasonable Ribbon if you want to check out these products. I'll leave a link in the description below as always. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye!